This is Motorola Moto X40, and today I will demonstrate that you can establish the VPN connection on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So I'll do exactly that. Once the app is ready, just go ahead and launch it. Tap the green continue button first, then skip the annoying ad that follows. And in order to connect to VPN, just tap at the caret icon over here, confirm the connection request, and as you can see by this key icon or key indicator at the status bar, the VPN was successfully connected to. Now, while connected to VPN, you can change the server that you are sitting at. So I'll just reconnect myself to somewhere in the US, for example. And as you can see, the country and the city, thus the server, was successfully changed. And in order to disconnect from VPN, simply tap at the cross icon at the bottom part of your display, then choose the disconnect variant from the dialog window that follows. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.